Hey guys, I just want to show you the difference between two weather stations on the same property located 200 feet apart. Okay, so this is our one Stevenson screen weather station located in our upper garden about 160 feet above sea level. Excuse me, I'm breathing heavy because I just finished working out. I was just in the gym. And current time is about 6:35 a.m. 20th of May, so we got 7.7 degrees Celsius. Clear blue sky here on Salt Spring Island. So this is the upper Stevenson screen. I use Oregon Scientific equipment for monitoring the temperatures. So I also have minimum max glass thermometer inside the screen. So this is the upper screen, like I say, in the upper garden. And we're going to go check out the lower screen right now, the sensor, and we're going to see the temperature difference 200 feet away from this screen, okay? And this screen's located about 900 feet or so from the Pacific Ocean. High temperature today is supposed to be around 18 or 19 degrees Celsius, and it's been unseasonably cool this spring. It's been a really cool spring. Garden loves it. Me, maybe not so much. Okay, so upper screen, 7.7. Let's go check out the lower screen, and then I'm going to show you the screens too. All right. It is a clear, cool morning. Remember, cold air is like water, right, hon? Cold air is like water, Wendy, and it rolls downhill. So there is the lower screen right there. It is 5.2 degrees Celsius. So you can see the difference in temperature. The other one, what did it say? 7.7, something like that. And we're going to show you the screen right now. So cold air is like water, and it rolls down the slopes and it lays down into the lowest spots. That's why you have frost hollows, frost pockets, okay? And our frost pocket is down in that ravine. I can feel the cool out here. There's the Stevenson screen where it's reading 5-point-something degrees Celsius right now, okay? Base of that slope, and then I'm going to show you the upper screen. That's the ravine down there. So the cold air is like water. Like I say, it's going down. It's flowing right through that screen. And then it's settling down into that deep ravine. And then the upper screen, it's always milder in the upper screen. That's why you can grow more marginal plants in this area. Probably why some of the more marginal plants got whacked down there in the lower area. There's the upper screen. Right there, that's an upper Stevenson screen, and that's where the other weather instruments are housed right there. All right, and there's no heated buildings around it. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos here on this channel. Cheers.